everyone, Amanda here at Jensen's Deep Run in Cream Ridge, New Jersey, and today is a super exciting day. It is Friday, June 7th, and as you can see, we are right in the middle of pouring our concrete slab for our brand new home that's going to be coming in. So we've got all the guys out here today. We have our crew, Bob Inman, our grounds foreman. We have Mark Bullock out here. Of course, community manager Jim Sunday wouldn't miss this either. He is also out there, and it's a super exciting day. We cannot wait to have this new home come in. It's going to be beautiful. If you would like information on this home, then please stop in and see us Monday through Saturday between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. You can call us at 609-758-7180. Visit us on our Facebook page. Visit us on our website at jensencommunities.com, and don't be shy. Stop in. We would love to see you, chat with you, and tell you about all the exciting things we have happening in the community. So again, this is our concrete slab for our brand new house that's coming in. It should be here within a couple weeks or so, a few weeks. So if you'd like some information, reach out. We are here to help you. All right, thanks for checking out our video. Have a great day.